the Bologna-based manufacturer returns to EICMA with a preview of its next-generation model. The latest DesertX builds on the DNA of its predecessor, 21-18-inch wheels, a rally-inspired design, and an off-road feel, while introducing several technical enhancements aimed at improving performance, both on and off-road. One of the most significant changes is the 2026 DesertX engine. Ducati's new 890 cubic centimeters V2 IVT engine replaces the current 937 cubic centimeters Testastretta engine. The new IVT engine produces a claimed 110 horsepower at 9,000 revolutions per minute and 68 ft-lbs of torque at 7,000 revolutions per minute, but its maximum power output is nearly identical to the previous Testastretta L-twin, which produced 110 horsepower and 68 lb-ft. The IVT system is designed to deliver linear torque even at low revs, as well as quick throttle response and sportbike-like engine performance at high revs. The suspension architecture is another major change. Ducati uses a progressive rear linkage system. Under the seat, the linkage arm connects to a long rod that leads to a redesigned swingarm. This arrangement is unprecedented on an adventure bike and indicates a re-engineered chassis. According to Ducati, these changes were made to improve road compliance while maintaining the bike's road-going qualities. The next-generation DesertX is also lighter. Ducati reports a wet weight, without fuel, of 454 pounds, making the new model 9 pounds lighter than its predecessor, promising improved agility on technical terrain. Slight departures from the signature twin round headlight design are evident. The round headlight motif remains, albeit with squared top and bottom edges. The new TFT display on the show bike is oriented horizontally rather than vertically. It will be interesting to see if this rally-style vertical display feature is removed from the final design, as it was a key component of the original DesertX design. Other noticeable changes include the GPS mounting bar above the dash and the large steering shock absorber that appears in front of the fuel tank. The launch at EICMA 2025 follows months of speculation, including photos of a DesertX prototype mirror taken last month. The photos show a lighter profile and revised ergonomics, seemingly enhanced by the prototype's simple stance and lightweight body construction. Ducati demonstrates its commitment to off-road capability by retaining 21-18 wheels, upgraded suspension, and reduced weight. Ducati announced that full details will be released in February 2026, and the bike is expected to be available in dealerships in May 2026. Stay tuned for more updates as Ducati prepares for the full launch of the second-generation DesertX early next year.